So hello everyone, in the last video we created an input type radio button. Now I want to create the input type checkbox button in which we can select multiple items. So for that I'll be just doing one thing. I'll be just adding similar to like this I can add. For example, I can write here, let's say select languages, for example. Now I can write different type of languages here. Let's say Hindi, English, and I can add one more language. Let's say French. And instead of input type radio, you just have to write input type checkbox. And that's it. And you can remove this name attribute and give a different name to every other field as well. So for example, if you want to give it language 1, so you can give that. Let's say language 1. So it doesn't matter in here. You have to give the name differently to each of the field. That was only valid for input type radio because we wanted all the inputs to be grouped together, and if we click on one of the input type radio buttons, so only one should be selected. But in the checkbox we can select multiple checkboxes, so we can add different name here, and in the value I can add the language which is there, which is going to be submitted when we submit the button or this form. So I can write English, so English will be submitted if I click on that check, and then I can write French here. So if I do that and see here, so you can see that this Hindi, English and French is a square box where I can select them and uncheck them also. So I can select them, select multiple items here because we want that. So selection is like this when we add a checkbox. So this you can do by easily adding input type checkbox value here. So this is it for this video. I hope you got the idea that how you can create checkboxes in the form. So let's meet in the another one. Thank you for watching.